Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to hide messages from Imo account in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Imo on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Security and Privacy. Tap on Invisible Friends. Tap on Add Invisible Friends at the bottom. Now search for the person that you want to add. Then simply tap on their profile. Tap on Done. Then under Invisible Friend Display, tap on Hide. Now their messages won't show up in your inbox. To view their messages, go back to your profile again. Go to Security and Privacy. Tap on Invisible Friends. Then tap on their account at the bottom. Now you can view their messages. And that is how to hide Imo messages from Imo account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.